Mitsubishi 4D33 injection pump timing. This is in a canter. So, how to do the timing without taking everything apart. Just got the injectors out and also the dipstick's loose. Turn some of these bolts around, the longer ones. I found an easy way to turn it is with a screwdriver in the fan. You just pry like that until you get to TDC. See the mark. There it is, TDC. Although you won't know if you're on TDC on the front or TDC on the back. So what I had to do, I got it on the back the first time. Didn't work, popped it back off, rotated it one more time, full rotation, put it back on, and we're good. There's a timing mark right there on the tooth on the inside. I scuffed it to make it obvious, the shiny one. And then you just slide it back together. You can also take the valve cover off and check if both of these are loose, both rockers are loose, but I just rotated the engine one more time. That's it. Hope you get started.